folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fishing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Look, there's deer over there. It's a bug. We need to shoot those deer. Did you bring our heading?
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey.
Oh, big
Lush
deer.
wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise, and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
Whoa, ready.
I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put.
Also, if you're trying to go to Big Ride, you're probably sitting in line 70% of the day.
That's what I said.
We really must
I've never had a wait shorter than probably about an hour.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from That way, we're loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we arrive at the station, everyone please remain seated on board the train until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all-clear signal when it's safe to exit. Once again, everyone please remain seated, stay on board until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all-clear signal when it's safe to exit. Remain seated, please. Everyone please remain seated.
Alright,
This
Judy,
is
walk out
the
tomorrow.
station, Sunrise Cycle Run, Tomorrowland, and
Hey,
the
Mama,
rest of
Mama.
Fantasyland.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, U.S.A. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon.
Unidentified users detected in upload common area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron Bicycle Run for upload. Once digitized, you may board your bicycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Okay, now that I'm here, right where you want.
For your safety, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times. Thank you.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, U.S.A. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. So new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, U.S.A.
As we arrive into the station, everyone please remain seated and on board the train until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all clear signal when it's needed to exit. Once again, everyone please remain seated and stay on board until we come to a full stop, and I give you the all clear signal when it's safe to exit. Remain seated, please. Everyone please remain seated. Remain seated, please. Remain seated. Clear, welcome to Main Street, USA. This is a GO station to park entrance, transportation, and Cinderella's Castle. Have a great day.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted. Enjoy more than especially those who certified was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungles, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big party. She made me promise to tell you folks, you're invited. We've reached Frontierland Station and promise to sit tight. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you decide, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
I'll be right